you ever wondered if smartphones can truly stand up to the power of dedicated gaming consoles? Samsung is pushing this question to the forefront with the launch of its latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device designed to challenge the limits of mobile gaming. Recently, at the third hashtag Play Galaxy Cup event in San Francisco, Samsung showcased the incredible potential of this smartphone in a high-stakes Call of Duty mobile tournament. The tournament featured intense competition between two esports titans, Tribe Gaming and Luminosity Gaming, who tested their skills on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, proving that this smartphone is not just another device in the market. The atmosphere at the event was electric, with over 250 fans gathered in the arena, glued to the action displayed on massive screens. For those unable to attend in person, the entire event was streamed live on YouTube and Twitch, making it a global spectacle. Samsung made a bold statement during the event. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not only a smartphone, but it's also a mobile gaming powerhouse. The device's impressive specs were on full display, including the advanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset that powers the smartphone. This chipset is one of the fastest available, designed to handle intensive gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. But raw processing power isn't the only thing that makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out. Samsung has also integrated a 40% larger vapor chamber into the device, significantly improving its cooling efficiency. This upgrade is crucial for long gaming sessions, ensuring that the phone stays cool and performs optimally without experiencing thermal throttling or lag. No one wants their device to overheat in the middle of a crucial moment, and Samsung's innovation guarantees that doesn't happen, even during the most demanding mobile games. Call of Duty Mobile is known for being one of the most resource-hungry mobile games, pushing smartphones to their limits. The game's fast-paced action and stunning environments demand a lot from the hardware. Thanks to the Vulkan optimization and this Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers an incredibly smooth gaming experience with console-quality visuals. Every detail from the realistic settings to the high-speed action is displayed with remarkable clarity, ensuring players are fully immersed in the game. One of the biggest challenges mobile gamers face is maintaining steady frame rates during intense moments. Even the slightest stutter can be the difference between victory and defeat. At the hashtag PlayGalaxy Cup, the Galaxy S25 Ultra faced this challenge head-on, consistently delivering flawless performance with no slowdowns or lag, even under the pressure of competitive play. It's evident that Samsung's design and engineering are pushing the envelope of what mobile devices can achieve. Samsung didn't just stop at showing off the phone's performance. They also created a hands-on experience at the event, allowing attendees to test out the Galaxy S25 Ultra for themselves. Fans were able to feel the responsive controls, experience the smooth gameplay, and see firsthand just how immersive mobile gaming can be when powered by such a capable device. As the gaming industry continues to evolve, many are starting to question whether smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra could replace traditional gaming consoles. While consoles and gaming PCs still offer powerful hardware, larger screens, and physical controllers, the advancements in mobile technology are narrowing the gap. The ability to play high-quality games on a device that fits in your pocket is something that was once unthinkable. It's clear that smartphones, like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, are becoming serious contenders in the gaming world, offering a portable yet powerful alternative to traditional gaming systems. Of course, some gaming enthusiasts might argue that there will always be a place for dedicated consoles with their specialized hardware and large screens. But with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ability to deliver incredible gaming experience in such a compact form, it's hard to ignore the potential of mobile gaming in the future. As the lines between mobile and console gaming continue to blur, it will be interesting to see how this technology evolves. Do you think smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra can eventually replace gaming consoles, or will they always serve a different purpose? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.